Did you wash your head already?
No, no, it's soap.
Hey, drooly drools.
Anna Mangold. Anna's having her first birthday next Friday.
2 Fridays.
Next Friday. This Friday is not this Friday, next Friday.
You want the soap? You mohawks.
You're gonna give her a mohawk?
Mohawks.
Oh my god, look at that mohawk. You're a punk rock, Anna. Let me get it from the side. Let me get it from the side. That's what Daddy wants you to have. Oh wow, Anna, look at that. She's turning, so I can't get her from the side.
She's following you.
Look at that. It's the most you're gonna see. Hi, Anna. What did Daddy do? Yeah. Yes. Oh, that's classic.
Oh, I'm getting tired, Peanut.